Today's sticky note fact is that the first smartphone was created in 1992 by IBM, and it was called Simon. The Simon personal communicator, made by IBM, was the world's first smartphone. It could make calls, send emails, and even had a touchscreen, way ahead of its time. Fun fact: the first smartphone didn't have apps like today's phones, but it did have a built-in calendar and a calculator. It weighed about 1 pound, much heavier than modern smartphones. If you could design a smartphone, what features would you include? How do you think smartphones help us in our daily lives? Pause and discuss with your class or leave a comment with your answer. And that's today's sticky note fact. Remember to like and subscribe and have a great day.